keeps boiling. And the leaves.
Hi guys, today we are going to try Korean pork soup. So let's give it a trial. Okay.
Fry.
And what is this?
This is sauce.
What's the name? Mario, what's the name of this one?
Sesame.
Oh, sesame.
She's already here?
No.
She's coming. She must be here, I told her.
Also. This pork soup.
Gamja-tang.
This gamjatang.
Bonso.
Bone soup.
We call it in
해장국.
English bonso.
Hangover soup.
Beans. And this one? These are beans.
Bean sprouts. Bean sprouts.
And what is this?
Chejong. What do you call this? That?
Bean space.
Oh, this is
In
a
Korean,
bean
what do you call it?
Yeah. Gamjang. Gamjang.
Gamjang. And the rest is onion, carrot, and
Radish. This
Green.
is radish.
green pepper. And this one?
Radish.
This is,
Oh,
they
this
call
is-
it bo kimchi.
Radish.
Radish.
Oh. It is so nice. I think this is how I'll be cooking my rice now. Mix everything together like this. Today we are eating rice and soup, pork soup. Oh, so nice.
Mood very positive.
Korean pizza. 감사합니다.
So this rice is made up of seaweed, vegetables, everything mixed up together and put in the pot and cooked. It really tastes nice.
Korean pizza. This bibimbap.
Ah,
볶음밥.
okay. Today, very nice experience. Korean food.
볶음밥 is on the fire. Bibimbap is without fire.
Ah, this one now is.
It's a 볶음밥.
Ah, okay. Nice to hear that. This is on fire. What does it mean?
Pokem.
Oh, I never knew the difference.
Let me do some water.
There's also noodles.
Hey, yeah, chopsticks is a tricky affair. Really struggling to use them.
It's a tricky affair for the chopsticks. But let me show you the noodles. Here they are, the noodles. This is cow soup. It has no Korean cow. Very soft and delicious. There's this fruit here. Oh, there is also rice. Pap, rice to accompany the soup. Long time. So good. Galbitang. It has green onions and what? What is this rendering?
Tunda kingine kama bora skill.
Kanda fruits. It's okay. Some greens here. And this one, what's the name of this? And this one is kimchi, right?
Kimchi.
And some soup. What do we call this sauce? Oh, okay.
It also has some noodles in the soup.
You know how to operate.
Korean operators.
That's mushroom, right?
Yeah.
There's green onions and
Galbitang. Cow soup. If it's pork, gamja-tang.
Okay. The good thing with this, it doesn't have a lot of oil, so I can manage to have this. Okay. Nanju inanamdon. This 15,000, huh?
Yep.
15,000 per
15,000 Korean won.
Korean won per
Plates, per poach.
per plate, yes.
So that is it for today, guys. I'll keep checking out more foods for you to see the experience. Thank you for watching.